I had to reclaim my shelter. I had squirrels' nests, spiders, camel crickets. I went all the way around this thing, cleaned it out, knocked everything down, sprayed a little spray. Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. I just need to catch my breath for a minute. Cheers, guys and gals. Ah, yeah. Today I have a couple of russet potatoes, and a ribeye steak. We're going to need a hot fire, some hot coals to cook this meal today. So a little update on my wife and her back surgery. She's recovering very nicely. She's still moving around at about a snail's pace with a cane and a back brace, but the surgery went well and now she's just got to heal. And she knew that I was itching to get out of the house. She said, go get out of my way. Hopefully soon I'll be able to get back to camping out in the woods overnight. Get back to doing my thing. We got some minced garlic. I have butter. Of course we got Texas Pete, black pepper, salt. And this steak sauce right here is the tits. Go ahead and add our butter. Can't use too much butter. Oh man, yeah. A little bit of salt. Some black pepper. I love black pepper, man. Love it. Ribeye is still kind of cool from the butcher shop. We're gonna put some salt. Salt that up real good. Some more black pepper. Flip her over. Do the same thing. All right, these dudes, they're getting pretty browned up. They're starting to get a little mushy. So I think we're gonna call that good. We're gonna slide these dudes up here to the side. Oh, it's hot over this fire. More minced garlic. Down she goes. Oh yeah. Man, this smells absolutely incredible. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna call that done. Probably too done, actually. I'm ready to dig into this. And the neighbors are mowing, of course. Potatoes are perfect. Primal Kitchen original steak sauce. Oh yeah. This stuff is amazing. It has like a try not to cut into that pan. Has like a little vinegar kick. Real thin steak sauce. Oh yeah. And of course, no meal is complete without Texas Pete. Well, I just want to give a special shout out to Dee over at Native TEARZ. If you don't know Dee, you need to go check out her channel. We'll make sure that link's in the description below. Dee is the queen of cast iron cooking, Cast Iron Wednesday. If you would like to get in on the action, hello. Hey. Okay, what? We've got 2 bags of potatoes. Yo, yeah, we don't need them. Oh, okay. I'm probably just gonna pack up and head out here in a few minutes. Okay, Mom. Love you. Bye. Moms. But yeah, go over there and check out Native TEARZ. Get up on this Cast Iron Wednesday. D, I want to personally thank you for finding me back and finding my channel back in the day and pointing me in the right direction. I'll always be grateful to you for that. I appreciate it. So that's going to do it for this Burnwood Bushcraft 4.7. There's only 2 episodes left here at this base camp in this series ever. Appreciate you watching this Cast Iron Wednesday. I think I need a nap now. I'll see you on the next one.